So hello guys, welcome back. And today we're going to talk about top AI model for coding in 2026. So everyone is using AI for coding, but which one is actually the best? Let's figure this out in this video. So first we're going to talk about the GPT 5.3 codex, which is latest model of ChatGPT. And if we're going to talk about the performances, it's very good in the deep software engineering automation. It is It's like higher benchmark than the GPT 5.2. Then if we talk about next, it's a large code handling. So 5.2 is like giving you the sh short code, but this is the advanced version of the 5.2, which is giving you the large code and it's agentic code. So if you give a whole project, it complete the entire project, giving you the multiple files code in at once. And this model is better than the 5.2 and 5. And if we talk about the performances, you can see that GPT 5.3 Codex Spark, GPT 5.3 Codex, and 5.1 Codex Mini, if we see the performances of GPT 5.3 Codex is increased with the time and with the accuracy. So with the time and accuracy, graph is increasing. And in the side, we can see the terminal bench, which is where we can see that GPT 5.3 Codex, it gives you higher accuracy than any other GPT models. So now, if we say best use of GPT 5.3 Codex is if you can use in the like IDE and code automation, full stack, API integration, and logic heavy application. So let's talk about the next model. It's like Claude Opus 4.6, which is latest model of Claude. And if we talk about the performances, it is very good in handling the complex reasoning tasks compared to 4.5, Sonnet 4.5. We'll talk about it later. And if we talk about the next part is like strong multi-file reasoning. So if you give a project and it has the multiple file, it gives you very good code and structured code with the high accuracy for your task. If we talk about the next one is long horizon code workflow. So some files require more lines of code like 500, 800. In that, before it gives you the higher accuracy, but above previous models, it gives you the very lengthy code, but accuracy is low. But in this, the accuracy is very high. So if we see the comparison of the other things, we can see the 4.6, they are the benchmarks of the thing like agentic terminal, agentic coding, agentic computer use, and tools. It always will compare to other models, it is higher, give you the higher accuracy. And in this in the right side, you can see long context retrieval. So this is the comparison of the models, which like mean match ratio they are giving. So its accuracy is 93, which is very high compared to any other model existing in current scenarios. So with all those performances, where we can use this model. So we can use in like complex backend, logic flows, deep algorithm optimizations, logic reasoning in the code basis, and multiple step workflows. So there's a project section where you can use, and it works in the parallel and with a good accuracy, and gives you the proper code structure of your task or of your projects. So if we're going to talk about the next model, it is Claude Sonnet 4.5, which is also good, but it's like second best in the in the current model scenario. And if we talk about the Claude model, is the second best model. First, we already talked about. So if we talk about the performances, it's like strong structural code generation. It gives you very structural code compared to any other AI exist in current market. Then if we talk about like it is very good UI related. If you want to create your portfolio website and any kind of website, it gives you very good UI design. And it is give you in any languages like React, 3JS, and in Python. The code structure is very good and UI is also very good. Code quality generation is good. If we talk about the code quality, it's based on the accuracy. So when you give a code, that when this model gives you a code, it gives you a very high accuracy code, which you don't need to fix more bugs in that. And it's like complete benchmark performances. So if we can see, it launched way back, but when it launched, its benchmark of the performance is so high. So it's just still in, we talk about still like third best model in current scenario, where it's like first we already talk about Codex, second is for Opus 4.6, and it's a fast response. It gives you very fast. Don't think that much. That model is trained so well that even if very complex tasks, it give you response very fast instead of taking long time. So with this model, we talk about what are the best case uses. So as we see, it's a multilingual code. You can, if you give a project which requires React, HTML, CSS, Python, any other coding language, it's multilingual code. It gives you very good code with the better accuracy compared to any other model. It's very good in front end and UI projects where you can build your proper website for your product, or if we talk about if you are a student, you can use it for your portfolio website. Visual plus code task. It's give you a proper visual and code task like help you to solve in like DSA questions and all that, and structure coding problem. So if you have proper structure and you're working on a project and you're facing a problem, then you can give that file to this Sonnet 4.5. It gives you a very proper code, proper fixed code of your file with no bugs. If your code is properly structured, give you proper in the same structure with no bugs. And if we talk about the next one, is Google Gemini 3 Pro, which is amazing. Currently, if we talk about it's like strong for specific tasks like image generations, maths problem, and like any kind of like complex problems it can solve with very better accuracy. And if it's like compatibility and local deployment, it helps you to customize so many things. Like if you want to customize for your coding part, if you want to customize for design or like study, it gives you the customization of feature, which helps you to where you don't need to require give more prompts for that. If you bu- build that for customizable model in that, you can directly talk about what you want and local deployment. So it helps you to it is local deployment because it Gemini 3 Pro use in the Gravity. If you use Gravity, which is amazing for the like website design, then it gives you local development, generate automatic files, save files. If you have an image in different folders, take it that image and gives you the proper website for that. So which very good in the local deployment. If we talk about the benchmark, so it is the official with Gemini 3, 3 Pro, which is higher than any current model. So if we see that thing where it's like 554.2% accuracy, and these all parameters are official on their pages, not randomly given by the any website. It's official on their website. And you can see the benchmarks where you can see Gemini 2.5 Pro and Gemini 3 Pro. Gemini 3 performance is way better than Gemini 2.5 Pro, which gives you a so much better performance than previous Gemini's model. So with all those performances, what you can do with this thing? The thing is, it's good for students. Students can customize all those things and in the daily basis like homework, task, and any project the assignments they can do. It is also for UI, good for UI and front end. It gives you proper structural layout code, but not lengthy code in the proper structure. But if you create a like 5 files and then you can generate, tell them to generate code, it gives you a very structural code and multitask in dev workflows, which is go this feature you can use in the anti-gravity, where it's like multitasking while one side if you are generating website, other side you can use it as well as it doesn't affect the performance of your website design. So for that, if we rank them properly, so I would say the Codex is the top, Claude 4.6 is the second best, and Claude Sonnet 4.5 is third, and Gemini 3 Pro is fourth. So currently, these four models are dominating in this market. And if we and you are using these models, you can go for it and tell me which AI do you use currently and let me know in the comments. And I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching this one. Subscribe.